In this video, we will find the integral of cotangent of minus x. Let I be equal to integration of cotangent of minus x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometry identity cotangent of minus theta is equal to minus cotangent of theta. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So I is equal to minus integral of cotangent of x. The antiderivative of cotangent of x is natural log of absolute value of sine of x. How to find the antiderivative of cotangent has been explained in the video appearing in the upper right corner of this video. The link of the same video has been given in the description section as well. So I is equal to minus natural log of absolute value of sine of x. And then added capital C, which is the arbitrary constant of indefinite integral. Do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indefinite integration. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.